my simple N8N nodemation setup. All right, so here's how we do it. Here is how we do it. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go to this screen over here. So this is my X feed, right? This is a post. So today I'm gonna show you how this goes, right? So this is me live right now. Weirdly enough, watching myself watch. Okay, let's scroll right past that. Let's just scroll right past that one. All right. So look, today I posted. So 9 hours ago. Let's go a little bit more. So 18 hours ago, yesterday when I was figuring out how to get this thing up, we have this one, right? Every time we talk about AI and cybersecurity, I can't help but roll my eyes, yada yada. And then another one 9 hours ago, and then 7 hours ago, and then 4 hours ago, and then 1 hour ago, right? I use nodemation N8N to help me be more active on X, and hopefully from being more active, we can grow our X following substantially. Will it happen? I don't know, but I am, although that would be nice, I am more intrigued at the opportunity to learn how to use all of these tools. So here's what I did, right? So because if you look before that, right, the only times that I would end up posting on X is when I'm going live. So the last time before yesterday at 1:16 a.m. was on June 11th, and then before June 11th was June 9th, and then June 4th, and then June 3rd, and so forth, right? However, now in comes nodemation, dun, 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 right? And what I did was, it's a very, very basic flow. So if I click in here, it's a scheduled trigger, right? Every 3 hours on the 15-minute mark. So before this show is over, we should have another X post put up there. And so go to OpenAI, and I want to post a cool controversial X post that will garner lots of comments, although I haven't garnered any comments yet, retweets or likes, or disagreements related to AI, cybersecurity, or software engineering, or a mix of any tech-based content. So that's what I want to post about, right? And then the prompt, so that's my user prompt. That's what I want to generate from OpenAI, from ChatGPT. And my prompt is my system prompt, my system context is: you're a cool, edgy, controversial tech content creator who embraces disagreements. You are fully in favor and support AI and advocate for its use. You never start the post with what kind of opinion you're going to share. You just say it. All right. So I did that, and then it goes to X, where I had to set up my credentials for X. And so you also have to set up your credentials for OpenAI. So once that's set up, I had to go and get a client key, a client secret, select that with X, and then I said I want to create a post, right? Create a quote, create quote or reply to a tweet, and then I said all right, whatever I get from OpenAI from this node right here, I want to feed it into this node, and then it is going to so at 9:15 Eastern time, we should have another X post happening right around here. All right. And here's the kicker, right? Here's a little trick that I did for this. I have a Mac Mini. I have like, let me see, I have my work Mac, I have this Mac, I have my older Mac, I have a Mac Mini. So I have 4 Macs in this house, but the Mac Mini is pretty much always on unless there's like some type of power shortage type thing, and then it'll reboot and stuff like that. I have to turn it back on. But for the most part, I have that Mac Mini up and running all the time. So what I did was I installed nodemation N8N using Docker Compose. So I downloaded the N8N hosting. We did this like maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago on a Sunday. I downloaded that and I got it up and running with Docker, set it up and everything like that. And then so now I am able to access this right here, right? I'm able to access this right here that is running on another computer through that computers through my local area network through that. So I'm able to log into that one, and I'm able to add more. So I can go like this, and I can go to leave without saving. I can go to, let's create another one, and I can say let's do another schedule on a schedule, and I can say run this every week, right? And let's do this on Fridays, right? Trigger at 10 a.m. And I could say, so if I execute this step, so this right, all that I'm doing right here, it's running on another computer, right? On my Mac Mini. And I'm able to create a whole full workflow and have that scheduled and ready to go from working here, right? So I have my own nodemation set up and running, all of that good stuff. So, and let's say I wanted to connect a node to it. I can say like an OpenAI node. Let's say we do message and model connected, and I can say whatever I want to say, like, I don't even know, but you get the point. See, so my setup now is that because of this workflow right here, let's save that one, because this workflow right here that's active, it is going to be posting to X every 3 hours on the 15-minute mark. So at 9:15 Eastern time tonight, we should have another post that is semi-controversial, and then I can add another one to it. Say, all right, I want to make a post about this. I want to make a post about that. All of that good stuff. So automating your content creation workflow first, because I do not have time to get to be posting on X all the time, but I can get my thoughts out there through the help of these tools as well as OpenAI. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you. Really, really cool stuff. So powerful. And this is just a very, very, very basic workflow. I have another workflow that I was working on that it goes to Perplexity, gets some information from there. Then it loops. I kind of showed it to you the other day. I played a sample of it. But now, once I get it here running on this system, then it will just go through the whole process. And one more thing. I had originally built this one on my local machine, and then once I started working, I said, all right, now let me export this and import it on this new machine, and bada bing, bada boom, we have liftoff. All right. But that's it. I just want to share that with you as a little icebreaker of how powerful this is. It's something so small, but it's so helpful to me. And as we start getting into these things to automate our businesses, automate our tasks, it is going to be really, really huge. Shout out to you, Ms. Freckles. So what's up, Ms. Freckles? How are you doing? This right here is going to be a game changer for you, especially for the things that you work on, Ms. Freckles. It is going to be an absolute game changer for you. So hit me up, and trust me, you really want to get into this, Ms. Freckles. You really, really want to get into this, right? So anyways.
Every step I took alone, built a kingdom all my own. No more shadows pulling strings. I am light, I am wings.
I walked away, no chains to bind. I left the past, I cleared my mind. The road was rough, the skies were gray, but I broke free, I found my way.
I walked away, I broke the chain, left behind their endless rain. Tried my best to make it fit, but their world wasn't it. Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust. fake distant songs. I found my voice where I belong. No anchors now, no shadows stay. I face the sun, a brighter day.
They wanted walls, I wanted skies. I couldn't live their tangled lies. Now I'm soaring, winds at play, dancing light in every way.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
I'm free, I'm running wild, like the laughter of a child. Free from their weight, I can breathe. This is my time to believe. I'm free, I'm running wild, like the laughter of a child. Free from their weight, I can breathe. This is my time to believe.